came around, and till PETs landed up. Okay, the PETs, they find that there is a significant difference in the organizational structure of brain in schizophrenic and non-schizophrenic brains. When was that? If I remember, I think this Kaplan and Sadak, these two guys writing on psychiatry, in 1999, 1998 book didn't mention anything about this. Whereas in 2006, the whole book has grown from this small to this big.
Which one?
Kaplan and Sadak, psychiatry.
Comprehensive textbook of psychiatry.
Comprehensive textbook of psychiatry. This is a huge book. Earlier it was small. And they're removing many things, na? Like earlier.
They have removed now portion on this all this psychotherapies. They are reducing the portion.
Why psychotherapy is being reduced from psychiatry?
Because the idea is the psychotherapy is all it got a major boost from Freud. Okay, the psychoanalysis was like a raise in the West and all these things. But ultimately, it is a big theory.
Take it through from Freud, like from Lego therapy. Where does Lego therapy stand in nowadays?
No, never, no.
It's old, isn't it?
It's no way.
But now CBT is quite new.
No, CBT is very old, not new. CBT
But
is
it's
long.
still in kind of
For
practice.
depression, CBT is the mode of cognitive behavior therapy. Is more practice for depression.
See, all this,
Cognitive behavioral therapy.
see, all this.
Rory was talking.
Yeah.
See, there is a combination of cognition and behavioral both together.
Okay.
So the original cognition, cognitive therapies are like you think inward, and behavioral therapy is like thinking you sort of a machine where with a combination of stimulus and reflexes you can change it. Like this originating with Pavlov, Skinner, and all these people who originated this conditioning reflexes and all these things. But ultimately, the science is science. Science always tries to do things exactly. Right? So they think that if you can change the neural structure, the neurotransmitters between the neural pathways, whole thing is over, and they are pretty near to it.
But I think that's kind of utopian, isn't it? I don't know.
No, actually, what happens now? Major practices in USA is going towards biological mode rather than. Because they are getting more result out of this, the effort they are putting in psychotherapy is mega, which is very great actually. You have to, for schizophrenia, they used to give psychotherapy for 5 continuous years.
Yeah.
Each weekly twice they will give for 5 years, neither the patient at time nor the doctor's time.
Same was what doctors are doing, isn't it? Even if you are doing chemical therapy, pharmacotherapy, you put them on medicines.
But time.
For
Time. A doctor need not spend so much of time actually. Now the professional's time may become more important.
The point is, like,
and the person's time also.
But even with your pharmacotherapy, there is a cost involved. Whether that time.
But fortunately,
time,
the cost of pharmacotherapy is lesser, much lesser than the cost of psychotherapy.
But even then, it's no without cost, isn't it?
it's not without cost, but a fraction of the psychotherapy.
Fraction.
For example, exactly when did psychotherapy die? Psychotherapy's greatest fame is psychoanalysis. Started with Freud, spread like a wildfire, got to be the ultimate thing, interpretation of dreams, science, all sorts of things. But the moment Prozac came in 72, Prozac was invented.
Yeah.
Somebody made a court case that I have been undergoing psychoanalysis for the last 3 years, and in a week Prozac has given me that mental peace.
Yeah.
So that was the first lawsuit filed against psychoanalysis in the United States, and with that heralded the death of psychotherapy, because you are getting treated for depression for 3 years and here comes a drug, whatever may be, the long-term effect of the drug may be much more dangerous, but fact is that by pushing a medicine into your brain, you are able to change that fellow's interpretation of the surrounding.
But the unfortunate event is not because of the efficacy of medicine, but because of the nature of litigation, isn't it?
Yeah.
But now, at some point...
Efficacy-wise psychotherapy is not bad, but the amount of investment in time a person has to spend each day 1 hour in counseling, plus he has to come and go, the doctor has to invest 1 hour in counseling and he has to come and go. The amount of money involved here is...
Then second thing is psychotherapy is all useful for neurosis.
Mostly.
As far as psychosis is concerned, it's gone.
No, not gone, but utility is limited. Huh.
If somebody is having catatonic schizophrenia, how will you treat?
Well, okay, yes, you need that one, but the considerable amount of thought of psychiatric work will be necessary, and if it is treated without medicine,
That is good, but provided man is actually what happens is, even if you treat it, the psychotherapists don't know the reason for which it is working. Every time the ethos of man has been to find out, pinpoint the reason and find out why exactly it is happening. In fact, three things are important. Can the theory be predicted? Is it replicable? Is it reproducible at any point of time? And can you predict? Can you predict a person is going to be neurotic? Only then you can call it a real sign.
Yeah.
For example, to take an example, you go to make a blood test. I found that day one of the peons came for a blood test. It was held out, but his platelet count has gone down to some 9,000. Now, if you would have gone to any inexact science like homeopath or some Ayurvedic, that fellow would have given him some medicine and tell him to go and rest. Here is the doctor who is telling is apparently healthy individual, but telling you will die within 7 days, and he will be 99% accurate.
Yeah.
That is the beauty. That is what people are always.
what was because of what was the cause for
Does having blood cancer. Does having blood cancer.
Plastic.
Yeah.
So, but he was okay. And then here is a science which predicted that it is end for him, and that is the power of science. Hello.
The psychotherapy is gradually becoming disrepute because of lot of time involvement actually. Time involvement. Now the doctors don't have time. They are discouraging, not that psychotherapy is useless, because the physicians themselves are discouraging.
No, but you never know whether he is going to be.
So what happened after then the project? Is that the end of it?
Psychoanalysis is not there.
Even before that also chlorpromazine also reduced a lot of load.
So with the invention of
But Prozac psychotherapy really killed him.
It killed
But before, after chlorpromazine also psychotherapy has reduced because people are treating schizophrenic for years together for psychotherapy with no result.
Chlorpromazine came from thorazine. Anesthetic drug it came, and it was a great invention. It is the wonder. It is all-time great invention. Three psychiatric.
So many mental asylums just vanished.
Vanished. Bethlehem Hospital. Is thousands of people.
And who came after, like in psychology itself, like even psychology, Freud's theory is taken.
Then Carl Jung came. Carl Jung.
Yeah.
Gone. Then another fellow came. Adler is gone. Nothing like. Then Eisen came. Then that other fellow gave a personality trait theory. All these people finally they were having their head has been 1905 to 1950.
What about? Have you read about this Carl Rogers?
Carl
Rogers.
Great brain is very nice. See, they wrote theories which are so nice to look at it. But ultimately.